do that. If you escape tsunami for a brain rot, do you know if you go to steal a brain rot and you see that Squid Gaming, go inside. If you see tsunami, enjoy, because that is brain rot called brain rot. Steal a brain rot, LTF. Excuse me. Excuse me. If you see that steal a brain rot, you see that gaming squid, right? Like this. I'm gonna show it to you. Go to steal a brain rot and go like that. I'll give away this brain rot to others, okay? Like and subscribe if you want that. And comment your name, Balita. I'm gonna show it to you. Right, this. Like, if you go to escape tsunami, you apparently see this. Someone's stealing my tortuguinid. Oh my man, where's my tortuguinid? Oh no, someone steal my tortuguinid. That is apparently my best brain rot. So, if you see this is the free brain rot. Good luck. Okay, good luck. Wait, they don't. Wait, someone's stealing my my fresh brain rot. I have a strawberry elephant, but it's gone now. I'll give away this amount of botito or ratito, carker, cor, chachechi, dol, los tralalitos, and let's see, carker, corkers, and la cacarucha. That so many brain rots are spawning here. If you want to watch, click to like. I like